So when somebody comes to me after a boating accident, in order to help lessen their worry, I want to answer all their questions about how they're going to overcome this traumatic event that's come to their life. And so as their lawyer, I can't perform medical treatment, but I can direct them to good doctors. I can help communicate to them what they can expect to confront in the months ahead of them so that we can better deal with those problems. I can't remove all of the problems that come, but I can give them solutions that help take away that stress and worry.